What's up everybody, it's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi here, back with another video. On this video we will be discussing a very useful tool that you can use to actually start doing some research whenever you hear about a new cryptocurrency token, or whenever you hear something is going on within the crypto space and you just want to get a better understanding as to what's happening. And especially with new projects, you will need this tool to your advantage. So before we get started, don't forget guys to check out my YouTube channel and subscribe, and make sure that you click that notification so that you'll be notified every time when I upload a new video. Now you're probably asking yourself, what is this tool that I'm talking about? I am talking about Coingecko. This is one of the most reliable source that you could use to do your research and find out what's happening within the crypto market and always be updated as to what's going on. I'll be showing you an overview of this platform and showing you some of the useful things that you could actually do with this platform right here. The first thing is, first you might want to actually sign up an account, create your own account over here. As you can see, I have already created my account. Link will also be in the description. You can also use my link to sign up. And then this is the home page. So on the home page you will see all the cryptocurrencies, and especially on the first page you will see the top 100 cryptocurrency, starting off with Bitcoin over here. And then over here is the price, and over here we can see the 1 hour movement. Over here we can see the 24-hour movement, and over here we can see the 7-day movement. This is more of a platform to help you understand on a fundamental side. So let's just say you want to see which tokens have moved the most in the last 24 hours. You could click here on 24 hours, and then from there it's going to filter all the tokens that have moved the highest or moved the most within the 24-hour period. So as you can see, 15% on this one, 12% on Helium, and 11% on Nexo. Now let's just say you want to find out which token actually dumped the most, as in sold the most in the 24-hour period. You can just click on 24, and over here now it's going to show you the tokens that have dumped the most. Over here we can see Celsius Network dropped the most, and 10 cent followed by 4% Over here it shows you the coin that went up the most, and if you click again it will show you the coins that went down the most within the 7-day period. And over here we could see this is the total volume traded, and over here this is the this is the 24-hour volume that's been traded within Bitcoin, and so forth. And over here we can see the market cap. So this platform right here, it rates all the cryptocurrencies according to their market cap. So the higher the market cap, the higher the token will be in number. So as you can see, Bitcoin is the #1 token because it has the highest market cap of over $400 billion, followed by Ethereum, as you could see. And as we go down, the market caps gets lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Now let's just say there's a cryptocurrency or crypto token that you've just heard about, and then you want to find out exactly more about that token. Let's just say you heard about Dogecoin. You would come here, search Doge, and then here's Dogecoin, and then we click on Doge. And then over here now we get to see all the information about Dogecoin. We could see that how Dogecoin is currently performing and the current price of Dogecoin over here. And as we scroll down, we can see the market cap of Dogecoin. It's sitting over at $8 billion. And then over here we can see the circulating supply as to how many tokens are currently circulating of Dogecoin. As you can see, it has no total supply, and this is the 24-hour traded volume on Dogecoin, as we could see. And on this side, on your right hand side, now this is where you get some external links for Dogecoin. If you click here, it will take you to the Dogecoin website. This is the actual website. I would always recommend that you use this method whenever you want to check out a token and go onto the website. Over here we can see the blockchain. If you want to check it out on the blockchain, you can also check transaction over here, or the transaction. And over here, these are some wallets that you can also store your Dogecoin on that are supported on. You could use your Ledger, you could use your Trezor or Trust wallet. And here are the external links to the social media profile. Let's just say you want to find out what's happening on Twitter. You can just click here on Twitter. It will take you to Dogecoin's Twitter page, and from there, that's where you can actually follow them and read up as to what are they tweeting, what are they saying, and why is everybody talking about Dogecoin. So basically, this is the one of the ways you can also do your research on a particular token. And as you can see, they have a Facebook page. They also have a bittalk.org page and so forth. So as you can see over here on tags, let's just say you want to know what token, what's the utility of that token, or what's the use case of the token. You could click over here. We can see that this is a meme token. Now moving forward, let's just say you want to buy some Dogecoin, and let's just say you want to spend $10, and now you want to know, if I had to put $10 within Dogecoin, how many Dogecoin would I get? For instance, if I had $10, I would receive 147.74 Dogecoin. Let's just say if I had $100, that means I would receive 1,477.43 Dogecoin. So that's how you can actually convert from Dogecoin to US dollars. And over here on your left hand side, now we can see the overview. The overview, it shows you the whole line chart basically of the Dogecoin. We can check on max. It will take you from when Dogecoin was listed and until the current price over here. We could see that Dogecoin has went up dramatically and also has came down, crashing dramatically. And over here we have markets. So on markets, that's where you are going to find exactly which exchanges is Dogecoin listed on. We can see that it's listed on Wood Network, it's listed on Binance, and all these other exchanges. This is where you can actually go to actually purchase some Dogecoin. Now they just added tokenomics, but this is currently unavailable, but at a later stage it will be available, and this will be very beneficial to people that actually want to understand the tokenomics of a certain project. I feel that's going to be very helpful rather than having to go to the website and reading the white paper. Now here on our right hand side, we can see Doge price statistics. Over here we can see the current price. This is the current price, and over here we can see the 24-hour lows and high. So this is the prices that it has fell to within the 24 hours, and it has risen up all the way to this price within the 24-hour period. Same applies here on the 7-day. This is the trading volume, and over here we can see the market cap rank. So currently Dogecoin is ranked at number 10 on the market, and the market cap over here we could see is sitting at over $8 billion. Yes, and this is also important, the market cap dominance. Dogecoin has a market cap dominance of 0.83%, so it's not even at 1% as yet, so which is quite a small percentage in the dominance within the market. Over here we can see the all-time high and the all-time low. As you can see, this was the all-time high of Dogecoin. It has went up to all the way to 73 cents on the 8th of May. That was in 2021. That's over a year ago. And the all-time low was 7 years ago, which I can't even say this digit right here. But as you can see, it has went up over 77,000% up over a 7-year period. Now we are going to get to some more exciting stuff. Now let's just say you were hearing that Dogecoin is pumping and like everybody is hyped up about it. So you want to come and see what how other people are feeling about Doge. So it could be good or it could be bad. I mostly just click anything just to get the sentiment of how people are feeling. So currently people have voted 58% good and 42% bad. In a scenario like this, I like to see bad more. Then that means likely I'm likely to buy that certain token. But if it's more, if the good percentage is higher, then I'm likely not to jump onto that token, because I know it's overhyped and it could crash at any given time. Now moving forward, we want to see some news basically as to what's going on within the news in the Doge community. Here is where you actually get to see all the updated news that are happening within Doge. So whenever you hear Doge is pumping, you also want to check up on the news to see exactly what's making Dogecoin pump. You're able to actually see more news related to Dogecoin. So if you are doing research and you want to know more about it and know what's the hype about, this is where you want to start off doing your research. Now let's just say you want to look at Dogecoin at a later stage. Maybe you want to check it up on after 2 or 3 months. You can actually go onto this star over here, click it on favorites, and over here you can actually create folders. Basically you can create these folders to put certain tokens on certain folders. Like for instance, I got a new coin, so whenever I hear about a new coin, I'll put it in this folder. And let's just say now there's a coin that I want to buy, but I do not want to buy it at that particular moment. I'll put it on this folder right here, and then I have my Cardano dApps, and then over here I have my smart contract top 10 basically, that I'm always having a look at and seeing which one is performing the best. And over here, as you could see, I have the pump and dump. So what I can do, I can just go to, let's just say I want to put it right here onto pump and dump. Now I know that whenever I want to see some coins that have a high volatility, that are just going up and down for no good reason, I'm just going to open that folder. Let's just say now I want to go to that folder. I can click on portfolio, and as you can see over here, I can see all these portfolio, and then from there I can click on whichever portfolio I want to have a look at any particular moment. Now going back to the home page, let's just say you are looking for a crypto exchange and you don't know which crypto exchange is the best for you, or you don't know which crypto exchange is trusted the most. As you can see over here, we have crypto exchange, we have crypto exchange which are centralized, and we have decentralized exchanges. What you can do, you can click on crypto exchanges. It will show you all the centralized exchanges, rating from 1 all the way to 100 if I'm not mistaken, and these exchanges are rated by trust score. So as you can see, Binance is at number 1 with a trust score of 10, and followed by Coinbase with a trust score of 10, followed by FTX with a trust score of 10. The thing is, you want to go with a exchange that has a high trust score. Over here, as you could see, then from here you can make a decision as to which exchange you want to use, but also taking into consideration that the 24-hour trading volume on that exchange and the coins and pairs that that particular exchange has. You also want to look at that. You do not want to sign up to an exchange that has a couple of tokens that you cannot buy, and then you have to keep signing up to new exchanges just to buy certain tokens that are not available on other exchanges. Now, if you want to do some research on NFTs and you want to see how the NFT market is performing, you can go ahead and click right here on NFT. We can see the NFT flow prices, and then over here we can see NFT related coins. Let's just say you're hearing about a certain NFT project and you want to know more about it, and if it also has a token, you can go ahead and click here. These are all the coins basically that are NFT related, and you want to go ahead and check them out and purchase them if you want to. By the way, anything that I say in this video is not financial advice. Do your own research, know what you're getting yourself into, and be educated before getting into cryptocurrencies. Now over here, you can go ahead and learn more about crypto. If you want to learn more about, let's just say, some analysis or guides, this is where you want to head on to. Now, here's another very important thing that I would also like to show you, and actually, I will also share a bonus tool that you can actually use at the end of the video. You can click here on category. When you click on category, what it will show you, it will show you all the different category within the cryptocurrency market. This is the top category by market cap. Over here we can see all this is the Ethereum ecosystem. Over here, these are all the smart contract platforms. Over here, these are all the BNB chain ecosystem, Polygon, Avalanche, and as so forth. So this also helps you understand which ecosystem is actually performing the best and which ecosystem is actually doing bad for that particular month or for that particular week. This would actually help you to get a better understanding. The last tool that I want to share with you is DeFi Llama. On this tool, it's more of numbers game. So if you're good with your numbers, basically this is what you want to check up on, and this will also help you understand more about a certain project, on which chain it is on, and basically a lot of information that goes in here. I'm not going to go into detail, but you can go ahead and check this platform over here. You can check up the chains, you can check up the roundup, and which tokens are offering any airdrops and so forth. But let's just say you also want to continue your education and learn more about cryptocurrency. You can head over onto cryptouniversity.network. Link will be in the description. We have some very awesome courses for you guys, such as the trading mastery course, Bitcoin basic, investing mastery course, and we also have a NFT course that's also very educational. And if you're also into gaming, make sure that you check out the crypto basic course for gaming. And let's just say you're already a trader and you want to take your trading to the next level. These indicators will help you get to that next level. So make sure that you purchase these indicators at a discount price of $500. And I will also leave a discount code for you guys to receive $10 off from every purchase that you make on Crypto University. The links will be in the description. It's your boy Ebrahim Mbokazi, and I will see you on the next video.